name is Professor Matthew Lewis. As a university professor, I have helped numerous students succeed in their financial goals. I'm about to reveal my biggest finding in 5 years. So by the time you finish watching this video, you'll discover how a natural phenomenon can make you at least $6,900 a week, no matter how much heartbreaking failures you've had in the past. Once I show you the secret, it will be your life's biggest aha moment. But first, I wanted to show you what this new discovery can do for you.
Hi everyone, it's me again from Binary Empire. Today's review we shall be looking at the code Fibo method, which is based primarily on the Fibonacci price action strategy. This is actually one of my favorite methods in terms of dissecting trends, analyzing demand and supply, and supporting resistance strategies. The professor here has spent about 5 years trying to master this software, and he feels now is the right time for the product to be released to the general public. Initially, this software was restricted to just a few students who were of the low income bracket. He wanted to see how the software would work for them, and with positive results. The Fibonacci method, for anyone who is not fully aware about, is primarily a series of integers that is used to detect natural phenomena. It is predominantly a forecasting tool, similar to trend analysis, but a bit more accurate in that it uses a simple trend and uses price action as the means to depict trades and source signals that have the highest probability of a success rate. The Fibonacci method predominantly that is being used here is done for you in complete autopilot. The code Fibo method, as it's called, is basically a software that, as you can see, is predominantly designed to work completely on autopilot. It will use the Fibo techniques, which are strongly encompassed into the software's algorithms and programming language, and this for the user's part, not much training is required. Just a few setup instructions to get you started, but apart from that, it's pretty much plain sailing, as most of the work is done by the software in itself. As you can see, we have a few testimonials here. Unfortunately, we're not sure about the validity of these testimonials, but what we have done is done our own research on this application, and found that some of the pre-demonstrations that have been carrying out on this software have been recording at least 80% success rates. The other little point we would like to make out is the code Fibo method predominantly, as you said, is an auto trader. However, it can also help you to give you some signaling strengths if manual trading is your key. If you just take a look at the review that we've done, and then we will look at this software in a bit more detail. You can see from the review that we've done, we've summarized a few advantages of what we thought about the software in general. One of it is that it had a friendly user interface. As you mentioned, it doesn't require any trading experience. As we have mentioned, the Fibo method is one of the most proven and time-tested strategies that have been used by all veteran traders and professional traders as well, in stock exchanges, Wall Street, etc., as it is one of the most accurate strategies out there. This software runs purely on autopilot. It is tested and trusted, but we will also continue to test this software over the next couple of weeks. And currently, forecast shows that this software has an 80% to 90% accuracy rate. One of the downsides we did find was the limitation spots. The software claims to currently hold only 25 seats. We're not sure what the authenticity of this is. So if you are really interested in getting a price action strategy that doesn't work, we would strongly encourage you to sign up to this software, as we're not sure at this moment. We have heard that the software might increase its spots at some time in the future, but we can't guarantee it. Anyways, that's it from me for now. If you're interested in the code Fibo method, please feel free to visit our website, which is binaryumpire.com, where we've clearly outlaid the software specifics, the pros and the cons of the software, what investment potentially might hold for you. Currently, as you can see, the professor says that this software has a capacity to generate substantial profits, but that also predominantly depends on the investment that one is willing to make. I hope you found this review interesting. Please feel free to visit our website, binaryumpire.com, for more information about the Fibo method called Fibo app. Alternatively, you would like to watch the video in complete entirety, please feel free to click on the link below this video. Thank you, and bye for now.